So here and in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can clear the search history that you have been searched on the explore page of Instagram. Either it could be a particular Instagram account or some hashtags. So all you need to do is to just simply open the settings of your Instagram, and in the settings here you need to scroll down until or you can directly just simply search here only you can just simply write search over there, and here you're going to find this option of search history. Just simply tap it over there. When you tap it over there, the meta page is going to be opened and the search history program is going to be visible to you. Now from here you can just simply via tapping this clear all searches, all the data that have been searched through your Instagram has been deleted, and not your personal data is going to be deleted, but just simply the data that you have been searched, the profile that you have been searched through the explore bar is going to be now deleted. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.